Introducing fund management system. In Sri Lanka, there exists a cloak of secrecy surrounding the financial dealings of the government. Citizens went about their daily lives unaware of the intricate web of transactions happening behind closed doors. Not only in government, but financial fraud and a lack of transparency in financial statements pose significant challenges for organizations across the spectrum from small business to large-scale enterprises. The fund management system is a web platform that enhances transparency in financial transactions, implementing a comprehensive solution centered around technology and accountability for all communities, companies, and societies of Sri Lanka in financial operations. It provides real-time visibility into transactions, budgets, and expenditures.
What is our motivation? Financial transparency is a major issue for many organizations, where mismanagement and fraud can go unnoticed. Our fund management system aims to solve this by offering a secure platform that allows users to monitor and manage their finances in real time. The main reasons for creating our systems are lack of transparency and accountability in fund management, time-consuming manual process in fund management, and difficult in detecting and preventing fraud, real-time fraud detection using machine learning.
Our open ledger fund management system solves these problems. First one, increasing transparency. It gives users real-time access to financial data, reports, and transactions, helping them make informed decisions. Second one, enhancing security. With secure login features and fraud detection, the system protects sensitive financial information. Third one, improving collaboration. Group chats, notifications, and voting tools make it easy for users to communicate and work together. Last one is simplifying financial operations. It automates tasks like budget distribution and integrates a payment gateway for secure transactions. In our system, we include a login page, register page, user dashboard page, create group page, also a treasury group page, announcement page, treasury group details page, ledger chat page. And also our system have a complaint page, CFSR report page, collection page, and also a estimation report page.
Our system is designed as a web and mobile application accessible anytime, anywhere.
Annual expenses of our system categorized under development costs, infrastructure, operations, training and onboarding, and other expenses. In total, as a total estimated cost, it has 9,01,400 rupees. Monthly expected revenue for our system is 25 lakh.
Our system includes user management.
In here, you can enter to our system as a guest user or as a registered user.
Second one is treasury group management.
This function generally manage cash in and out of your system.
Budget estimation and distribution and cash flow statement.
These are the two reports you can generate through our system.
Fraud detection and complaint management system.
Imagine any corruption and fraud happen in your organization. Then you can use this function to file a complaint publicly in your group.
Unified communication and engaging platform.
We have implemented several features to enhance your group communication, such as announcement, voting system, chat system.
In top of the hierarchy, we have system administrator, chair.
Chair holds the highest authority of the system.
Then treasurer.
Treasurer can handle all the financial operation of the system.
Co-treasurer.
Co-treasurer supports treasurer in financial activities.
Member.
Members are the participants of the group.
Guest user.
Guest user only can serve through public groups.
Our solution is designed for organizations with large-scale fund management needs, including financial institutions, government treasury departments, non-profit organizations, and corporates with large-scale fund allocation needs. This is our team members. And thank you for your attention.
Part. Here's the login page. You can use your user credential to log into our system or continue as the guest user. If you're new to our system, you can use this sign up for registration. Let's log into our system. Here, this is our user dashboard. You can see your all recently joined groups. If you want to create a new group, you can click on this plus icon. Then you can include your group details, and then you have to click on this create treasury button. Then in this search bar, you can search all the publicly available groups. If you click one of these results, you will navigate for the request page. Here you can enter your user credential and request for a group. If the group is public, you can view the details of that group also. Here in the right side corner, if you click on this profile picture, you can see the profile details.
Now you can see the dashboard of our group. In the here you can see the group card and the current balance. And the bottom you can see the ledger records. These are the in and out of the cash flow in our organization. So you can create a new ledger record by clicking on the new record. And here's the form to fill out the record details. And you can enter category and amount, whether it's a debit record or credit record. Also, you can add the evidence as a proof and create. Let's move to the treasury. In treasury details, you can see the group details, but only the treasurer can change these parameters. In the bottom, you can see the group QR and the group link, where you can share this link with your colleagues and friends. If I move to the participant tab, you can see all the participants in the group. In the bottom, you can see the request sent by the users outside the group. You can either accept it or reject it. If I move to the reports, in our system, we can basically generate two types of report. One is estimation report and other is CSFR, which is stand for cash flow statement report. This is the structure of estimation report. So estimation report are the approximation of cost and the resources of a certain project. So you can create a new estimation by clicking on this new button and enter the estimation name and the description. And now you have to enter the item or the work. And the quantity required, let's say 200 water bottles, and the unit measured, and the rate of a one piece. Let's say 120 rupees, and you can add it. Now I'm entering another record. Let's say let's say books. And the quantity is, let's say 200 books is required, and the unit measured, and the rate is, let's say 170 rupees per one page. And you can add it likewise. In the bottom, after entering the item of work, you have to enter the overseas. Let's overseas 2,000 rupees for our estimation. Finally, you have to enter the insurance date, and you can save the document. Even though you have saved the documents, this document in still draft format. You need to make it published in order to make it visible for other members. Also, you can add your digital signature for your document if you are a chair or treasurer. You can download this in PDF format. So you can see the downloaded PDF like this. So let's move to the CSFR record. So cash flow statement report. This is the structure of cash flow statement report. So this represents the cash in and out of an organization in a certain time period. So like before, you have to click new for create new cash flow report. And you have to select whether document is detailed report or a summary report. Now I'm clicking on the detail and you have to enter the time period you need this STRF. Let's say I'm starting from the beginning of this month and ending at the end of this month, and I'm clicking on update. Here you can see all the records are listed over here. If I click on the summary report and update it, you can see all the records are categorized into specific categories. Like before, you have to publish in order to make it visible for other members. Also, you can add the digital signature and convert into PDF format. Let's say in your organization, you need to collect some money from your members. So we have provided you the facility to do that. So you can create a new collection like this and enter the collection name. Let's say I am collecting money for a Little Heart project. And I need to enter the amount I need to be collected. Let's say 70,000 rupees is collected, what I want to collect. And I can allocate some amount from the treasury balance. So I am allocating for this project from the treasury is like 20,000. So you can see the remaining 50,000 is divided among the three other members. If I want to manually assign a specific value for certain member, I can remove this auto assign and add my amount. You can see the rest is divided equally among the rest of the members. And I can save the collection, and also I need to publish in order to make it visible for other members. In the transaction, you can see the newly created project is visible over here. Let's say I want to make some kind of donation to the group. So I need to enter the amount. Let's say I want to donate 2,500 rupees. And I also need to enter the reference of the transaction. We have provided two methods to make your payments. One is our online payment gateway, and other one is traditional bank transaction method. So if I'm clicking on payment gateway, and also I need a footnote here. And if I click on pay here button, it will open the pay here portal. First time make it some kind of error because we are using Sandbox. And now you can enter your credit card details over here and continue your payment. If I'm choosing the bank transaction method, you need to upload a proof of evidence of your payment. So I'm uploading a proof of payment and click on proceed. In over here, you can see all the previous transaction made by the members. But the latest transaction still in pending state because we have chosen the bank transaction method and it required to be verified by some kind of higher rank member. So it need to be approved by a treasurer or co-treasurer. So if I am approving this payment, it will be approved. It will be a verified payment. So if I want to make a payment for a collection, you can click on the collection name and it will automatically fill the transaction form. If I move to the dashboard, you can see the latest payment, latest ledger record as the payment, and it will affect the current balance.
We have implemented several features for enhances communication. You can publish new announcement by adding a caption and an image. And members can react your post by adding likes and comments like this. Not only that, if you want to get a majority consents for your decision, you can create a poll and add a poll title and edit option like this and submit it. After you submit it, all members can vote in your group their opinion. Let's move to the complaint.
Here is our complaint form. You can file a complaint using this form. And also you can add evidence that support the complaints. Either you can submit it with your identity or anonymously. After submit the form, the other group members can communicate using the comments.
This is our ledger chat to enhance the communication. Each fund group has its own dedicated chat sections where the member can communicate in real time. So with the discussion fund performance, making decisions about funds, so sharing updates like that. So now we're going to send a sample message. So when someone sends a message, all members can see that message.